Blue Ridge Communications Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our comprehensive review of Blue Ridge Communications. For your convenience, links to their products and services are provided in the description below. Features and services. Blue Ridge Communications offers a variety of internet services, primarily utilizing cable and fiber optic technologies. Their coverage spans across Pennsylvania, with cable internet available to approximately 96.58% of their service area and fiber optic connections accessible to about 20.43% of customers. The company provides high-speed internet plans with download speeds reaching up to 2,000 Mbps, catering to both residential and business users. Additionally, Blue Ridge Communications offers bundling options, combining internet with television and phone services for a comprehensive telecommunications solution. Target audience. Blue Ridge Communications primarily serves residents and businesses in Pennsylvania, focusing on both urban and rural communities. Their services are tailored for users seeking high-speed internet for activities such as streaming, online gaming, remote work, and other bandwidth-intensive applications. The availability of bundled services also appeals to customers looking for an all-in-one telecommunications provider. Strengths. 1. High-speed internet. With download speeds up to 2,000 Mbps, Blue Ridge Communications supports seamless streaming, gaming, and large data transfers, accommodating the needs of modern internet users. 2. Fiber optic expansion. The company has initiated a comprehensive fiber-to-the-home (FTTH) rebuild of its existing cable systems, aiming to deliver 10 Gbps speeds to over 250,000 homes. This transition to fiber optic infrastructure enhances network reliability and future-proofs their services. Number 3. Bundling options. Customers can bundle internet, TV, and phone services, providing convenience and potential cost savings for those seeking multiple telecommunications services from a single provider. Weaknesses. 1. Limited fiber availability. Despite the ongoing FTTH initiative, fiber optic services are currently available to only about 20.43% of their customer base, with the majority still relying on cable connections. 2. Regional coverage. Blue Ridge Communications services are confined to specific regions within Pennsylvania, limiting accessibility for potential customers outside their service area. 3. Customer satisfaction. The company has an average customer rating of 3.43 out of 5, indicating room for improvement in areas such as customer service, pricing transparency, and service reliability. Conclusion. Blue Ridge Communications offers high-speed internet services with promising advancements in fiber optic technology, making them a viable option for customers within their Pennsylvania service area. However, potential customers should consider the current limitations in fiber availability, regional coverage, and customer satisfaction when evaluating their options. Overall, Blue Ridge Communications demonstrates a commitment to enhancing their infrastructure and services to meet the evolving needs of their users.